Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to choose a free theme for your website on Shopify. So if you want to build a website and if you want to create a website by free theme, then you can select the one. So how can you find it? So simply you need to log in your account first, then you can see here online store and then themes. Then scroll down a little bit, then here you'll see the option add theme. Simply click here and click the visit theme store. Then you'll get here all theme paid and free, but if you want to get and choose only free theme, then you have to click here all theme and just check mark the free option. Then you'll get here all the free theme. But how can you select or choose your theme for your website? So I'm just going to choose maybe this one. Then you have to choose here try theme. If you click try theme, and before try theme, if you want to see how it looks like, so view demo store, then you can see the website like this. So you can list your product here, then your product will show in this website. So simply click that try theme. So once you click try theme, it's adding right to your online store theme. So it's loading. So this way you can select any free theme for your website. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.